Do you know a cash value life insurance policy can be a good strategy for asset accumulation? I'm going to show you how to use your cash value life insurance policy as a strategy to purchase a car or to purchase different assets if you want to. The first step is to get a cash value life insurance policy. That's the first step. You need to purchase one. You have to be healthy. You have to go through all the medical checks and all of that to purchase one. And there are two types of cash value life insurance policy. We have what we call the whole life insurance and we have what we call the universal life insurance. The next step is for you to pay your premiums regularly. If it is well structured, you can have room for overfunding your policy. If you have the opportunity, ensure you overfund your policy. Number three, you need to access the cash value from your policy. You can access your cash value depending on how you fund your policy. And you can purchase a car with it, from the cash value. And the good thing about doing this is instead of going to finance a car, which will cost you a lot of money in terms of the interest rate on that financing, and which will affect your credit report. With this, you don't have to have a credit check done and it doesn't affect your credit score. The sixth thing is that if you don't pay back the loan, guess what? The loan will be taken from your debt benefit. This is like you spending your debt benefit in your lifetime. But I'm going to give you a real life scenario here. If you have $50,000 in your bank account, and you take out $30,000 to buy a car, what you have left in your bank account will be $20,000. But in a life insurance policy, a cash value life insurance policy, if you have $50,000 in your cash value life insurance and you access $30,000, guess what? You will still have $50,000 in your fund value or cash value. This strategy may not work for everyone, but you need to understand it very well in order for you to make a decision. It might be an unpopular strategy, but it is accessible to everyone who understands it. This is one way of eating your cake and still having it if you understand how to use a cash value life insurance as a way to accumulate wealth. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video and share this video. Also, put in the comment section your opinion about this strategy. I want to know what you feel about it.